Hi, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be planting some beets in a couple of different ways. I had some beets sent to me by Steve in the garden. Steve from the garden, I think. I'll put a link to his channel below. Go check him out. He has a lot of really good information. Believe he's Ohio Zone 5 or 6. I don't really remember. So go check him out and get all the details from him. Lots of good information over there. But today we're going to plant some beets for the Just Beat It 2022 hashtag. And we will probably end up doing a whole series on beets. It is a collaboration with a bunch of channels that are learning beets. They're getting intimate with beets from seed to finish, what they did that worked, what they did that didn't work. And I welcome you to join along with us. If you have a YouTube channel, go ahead and hashtag it, Just Beets 2022. Go over to MB Heritage Farms channel. They have a lot more details over there. So let's get into this beet planting. I got these little trays from the Dollar Tree, or I guess it's the $1.25 tree, the $1.25 tree, $1.25 tree. Nothing's there $1 anymore. It's $1.25. So I got this for $1.25 at the Dollar Tree, and I just put, I don't know, 12 or 15 seeds in the top of this. There are no drain holes, so I'll have to really watch to not overwater. This particular one, I'm not too concerned about because I went ahead and used those paper rolls that I have been using. They're okay depending on the soil that you use. Did some experimenting with the soils, and regular potting soil keeps the moisture a little bit better than, like, say, peat moss. I also have been noticing that I've been keeping my dome lids on slightly longer to keep from having to constantly water them because they are so small once those roots start growing. So these will live in here for only about 4 weeks, 5 weeks. So about the middle of April, we'll be sending these out to the garden and see how well they do. So these will just pop straight into the ground, and then these will have to separate. So we'll see how those Detroit beets handle that. So until next time, y'all have a great week. Bye now.